something that looks like a seed. And it's a rock.
Right.
Painted.
That would be terrible, wouldn't it?
So we gotta make sure the birds see us. But we gotta make sure they don't eat yet. It's all secure. So if a bird comes and eats its way through, and I have some, we will.
I'll let you do the next feeder.
Look, this is a Harry Potter.
Good job, Lily.
I'm very good at this. Put the lid on. We don't want the birds to get trapped.
She's got it secured.
Safe and secure. So the birds don't get trapped in here.
Yep. What's your name? Thank you for filling my bird feeder, okay?